Now in this question we are having 4 inequalities, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are also called constraints. Now given 3x plus 4y is less than is equal to 60. Okay, so what we are going to do, supposing 3x plus 4y is equal to 60. X and y. Now just putting the points, if x is 0 then y is 15, and when y is 0 x is 20 for the first equation. Second, again for x plus 3y is less than is equal to 30. Now let x plus 3y is equal to 30. Now for this, when x is 0, y is 10, when y is 0, x is 30. Okay. Then we are having for x is greater than 0 and y is greater than is equal to 0. Now for this part, remember one thing. The shading goes in the first quadrant. The shaded goes in the first quadrant. Now I will explain you how. First of all, let's plot the lines. Now we are having 0 and 15. Now suppose this is 5, one point is for 5, this is 0. Now 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Similarly 5, 10, 15, 20. Now it is 0 and 15. So first point lies here, and then 20 and 0. 20 and 0. So the line is writing the original equation, 3x plus 4y is less than is equal to 60. Okay. Second equation, 0 and 10, it means this point, and 30 and 0, this point. Writing the original equation, x plus 3y is less than is equal to 30. Now we will discuss about the shading part. Now shading part for the first inequality we are having, that is 3x plus 4y is less than 60. Now shading, 3x plus 4y is less than is equal to 60. Now putting arbitrary point 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is less than is equal to 60. Okay, so shading towards the origin. Shading towards the origin, because this is true, and then it is x plus 3y is less than is equal to 30. Now putting again 0 comma 0, 0 plus 0 is less than is equal to 30, True, therefore shading towards the origin. Now this was the first equation. Second equation, third x is greater than is equal to 0 and fourth y is greater than is equal to 0. Now I have already mentioned that x and y when greater than equal to 0, it is in the first quadrant. Now x greater than equal to 0, it means we are going to shade towards this side. Y greater than equal to 0, we are going to shade towards this side. Now we are not going for this part, and for this part. Is it clear? Now for the lines, for the first line 3x plus 4y, shading is downwards, and for this line shading is again towards the origin. Now which part we should shade it? Now first thing is that y-axis and x-axis we should be in the first quadrant. Now this shading for this line, it is towards this side. Okay. Shading for this side, for this line again towards the origin. So it is this side. Then shading for this part is towards this side, and shading for this one, it is towards this side. So required shading portion is what? Starting from this line. Okay, similarly for this part, we should touch the axis like this. Now this is the required shading area. Now hence the solution of given system of inequalities is represented by the common shaded region including the points on the respective lines and axis. Okay, including the points on the respective lines and the axis, this point also, this line also, okay, this part also.